kulay, no? Wow, perfect. Yan, lagyan mo rin ng kulay kamitis, pwede.
Ayan, gagawa kami ng cookies, guys. Marunong na silang gumawa eh. Ayan, si Super Iman, oh. Tsaka si ate. Ayan. Cookies is sweet. Nilalagyan nila ng flour. Ito yung gamit namin, no?
Yeah, that's good.
Marunong na silang gumawa.
Do it now.
Nice. Yan. Ito na yung dough nila ng cookies, oh. Mukhang masarap to. Tignan natin tong cookies ni Super Iman, no? Ha? Cookies is sweet. Mukhang masarap, ha? Yan. Kakat na ni Super Iman yung kan, no? Oh, look at that. Let me see. Yun, no? Parang Christmas tree, ha? Nice.
Here? Is it right here? Right here?
Ooh.
Like this?
Press.
Make sure.
Wow, nice cut.
Oh, perfect.
Lagyan na nila sa no? Baking pan. Yan. Good boy. Marunong na mag-bake si Iman, no? Yan, no? Baker na siya. Ha? Cookies is sweet.
Right, friends. That was very, very close. Look how close it's
Wow.
mine. How about this one?
You can make it
this?
again, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna roll it again.
I guess it's just sticky.
Yeah.
Ay, Iman.
Ay. And then I just put over here. Wait, can I just put all of them over here? Like the leftover? Can I put the leftover here?
Okay, finish your cutting cookies, Super Iman. Wow. Sige, press mo. Good boy. Nice. Alay nga. Yos, nag-ram cookies sa balungay. Ano yung ginawa ni Super Iman, no? Wow. Good boy. Ate ka da excess, Iman. You help ate.
I don't like to mess things up, so I'm gonna be very gentle.
Ilang minuto yung cooking mo?
6 to 8 minutes.
3, oh. Wow. Good, eh? Nice. Nice cookies, ah. Super Iman, ah. Mm.
9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9
Yun.
We can't fit anymore.
Okay. Okay. O, take out the excess. Yan. So you can learn. Put in here. Yeah. Good boy.
I like put these over here. And some over here. Over here. There is
Mhm.
this one. Over here. Now,
Impressed.
middle.
Perfect.
And then I just make. Oh, I
Alright.
got it about this.
Mhm. Mhm. Nice.
Well,
Yeah. Circle.
just make it circle like this.
Mhm.
And then I just.
Okay, that's good.
It's good. Just put in there.
There's no room.
O di, ikon mo siya. Move, abay. Mhm.
I can make some space.
Yeah. Nice. Perfect. Good boy. Okay, time to cook. Set up the time.
Time to go.
Big time natin siya. 6 lang. O yan, 6 minutes. Para hindi siya makuha. 6 minutes daw eh. Ayan, open it. Okay, open. Oh, nice and perfect. May baker na ako. Oh. Put the other one to. Oh, that was done? Oh, tapos na pala yun. Wow. Nice. Timer na 6 minutes only. Ito na guys yung binake natin ko, no? Yung binake nila pala. Wow, ayan, no? Nag-Mason George. Take it out. Yun. Cookies is sweet. Ha? Gimasan. Napulot pa yun. Nagbanglon George. Banglo ha. Ayat ha. Ayan, gagawa sila ng icing.
I try doing it. Yeah.
Homemade icing. Wow. Yun, ano ito? What's this? With the ingredients?
Marunong din siyang gumawa ng icing, no? I like. Bakit mo siya mix daw? Sa mixer? I think sugar can win. I think sugar work more. Because it's very runny. Then just mix it. Marunong siyang gumawa ng icing, no? Nice. Oh, it's funny. No, it looks, now it's getting.
Icing, oh. Look at that.
I love your display.
Oh, yan oh, may kulay na oh. Wow, perfect. Yeah. Lagyan mo rin ng kulay itong mittens, oh. Pwede.